Have you been wandering the hardware stores and surfing the internet looking for an easy solution for adding accent or task lighting to your home or office, only to find you're more confused than when you started? Are you looking for a cost-effective and simple solution? What if there was a way to install LED lighting and pair it to a wall switch without needing to use bulky fixtures, hire an electrician, or worry about complicated wiring? What if it was wireless, dimmable, and zonable with the push of a button? Shoot, while we're at it, let's make it waterproof and easy for anyone to install so you can add light virtually anywhere. Sounds good, right? Introducing the wirelessly controlled task lighting LED lighting system. So how does it work, you ask? It's easy. Let's start with the basic concept first. You have an existing outlet. Into that, you plug in our LED power supply, connect the Quattro dimming receiver with Smart Touch Learning, then connect our LED tape light. Now all that's left is to pair the Quattro for zone control to the receiver. Don't worry, it's easy. Press and release the Smart Touch Learning button on the Quattro receiver, and then immediately press and release the desired zone button on the wireless control. You're done. Now you can turn your lights on and off and dim them up and down from up to 100 feet away, all without the expense of hiring an electrician to run wires to a switch. You can pair as many receivers to each of the 4 zone buttons as you want. For example, you have a kitchen that you want to install under cabinet and over cabinet LED lighting, but you don't have any custom placed outlets for power or wall switches dedicated for lighting. Not to worry. Now you can use any available outlet. For example, the extra outlet opening for your microwave or behind your refrigerator is a great spot. Remember the steps? Plug in the power supply, attach the Quattro receiver, attach the LED lights paired to the desired zone button, and voila, you're done. What if you want to control the over cabinet lights separate from the under cabinet lights? That's easy too. Connect an additional Quattro receiver to your power supply, connect the over cabinet lights to it, and pair it to a different zone button than the under cabinet lights, and you're done. Now you have 2 zones controlled separately. But let's get really crazy. You also have an additional area you want to control at the same time as the under cabinet lights you just installed. But it's across the room, and you don't want to spend a small fortune on an electrician, have drywall repairs, and a weekend painting project to install yet another switch. No problem.
Wow!
Follow the same easy steps. Plug in the power supply, connect the Quattro receiver, connect the LED lights, pair to the desired zone button, and enjoy. So come on, unleash your creative lighting ideas with the task lighting LED lighting system. Get yours today.